Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the protractor flat on the page and centering the midpoint hole directly over the angle's vertex. This gives a reliable pivot point. Next, align the baseline edge of the protractor with one side of the angle so the 0 degrees mark sits exactly on that side. Hold the paper or tape it in place to prevent movement while you read measurements. This stability is crucial because slight shifts change the angle reading and ruin accuracy. Once aligned, determine whether to use the inner or outer numbered scale. Choose the one that starts at your baseline so you avoid inverted readings. Then look where the other side of the angle intersects that numbered arc and read the degree value. Make a light pencil mark at the intersection. If you are drawing an angle, place a mark at the desired degree on the arc and draw a ray from the vertex through that mark. This method ensures repeatable, precise angles for construction or drafting work. To finish, confirm your measurement by cross-checking the alternate scale when the reading is ambiguous. That prevents misreading inner versus outer degrees. Make final lines with a straight edge, darken the rays, and re-verify that the vertex still lines up with the midpoint hole. If values differ between attempts, don't guess. Recenter the protractor, realign the baseline, and measure again. Repeated inconsistent results usually mean the protractor slipped or the base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.